how to download and install Aviator Predictor app on Android and iPhone. So if you want to download and install Aviator Predictor app on your Android and iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to just make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then you can go with your App Store or your Play Store and go with search, and under search you need to search for Aviator Predictor. Once you've searched, you may find the application. Once you find the application, you can just simply tap on install and install the application, and it will be installed, right? But if it's not available in your region or your country, then there's also another way. What you can do is just simply go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, or just Google, and then search for Aviator Predictor app, tap on it, and this is the application. You can just simply tap on install and it will be installed. Just wait for a few seconds, and after that you'll be able to use the application. You'll have an open button, you can tap on it and use it. That's how you can download and install Aviator Predictor app, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.